I always find it most rewarding transforming unfinished wood with a stain. But the problem has always been that wood stains are really bad for your health and the environment. Very bad. The smell alone can be dangerous. Luckily, the stains I have here are plant-based and biosustainable. You won't find any poison symbols on these cans. Nature's wood stains come in 4 carefully chosen colours that work on a multitude of projects. So let's take a wee look. The results vary depending on the type of wood you're staining. I have a softwood and a hardwood, so we can compare the difference. First, I'm going to do a single coat of stain, and it's always important to make sure that your surface is clean and free of any debris. Never shake a can of stain. Always gently stir. If you get bubbles, that's not a good look. When applying your stain, use nice, even, long strokes, avoiding drips and lap lines. For a softer look, you can wipe back the stain off of your wood. I personally like this technique as it makes the wood grain much more prominent. If you want a deeper, darker look, you can add 2 or 3 coats. You're only limited by your imagination, so get staining, get creative, have fun, and I'll see you again real soon.